Hi everyone, this is habvin Electrical. I'm here to introduce my Wi-Fi generator remote control that allows you to on and off your generator while you are indoor in your room. You don't need to come outside and start your generator. All you need is to use your mobile phone. And I'm here to show you an example of how to operate your Kickstarter generator with your mobile phone without coming outside. So now I'm about to start the gen now. This will allow you to start and run your generator freely. As you can see, it has a programming if you want to time, like you want your generator to work within 2 minutes. Let's start. As you can see, the generator off itself after 2 minutes programming. So we have schedule. Schedule is what will allow you to program your generator from Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It depends on how you want it. And let us go back to the looping timing. This looping timing will allow you to program your generator to on for maybe 1 hour running and 30 minutes offing, or 1 hour running, 1 hour offing. Depends on how you want it. So kindly contact habvin Electrical for all kinds of your mobile phone automation